Kethenele ubesanda kuqokwa njengokapteni kwezobunhloli KwaZulu-Natal kanti ubesaqeda amasonto amathathu nje kuphela kulesikhundla ngesikhathi edutshulwe eBulawa. Uzakwabo uSayitsheni Mandla Khuzwayo naye udutshulwe walimala kulesigameko kanti kwembula kuyembeswa kuye esibhedlela. Ngesikhathi edluliswa amazwi enduduzo uMkhwanazi uthembisa umndeni kaNel kanye nozakwabo ukuthi ababulali bazobanjwa kungekudala.
For me, on my side, having won the badge, having gone through the trouble that Captain Nel has gone through, I understand the pain and the anger that the members, especially the members of Special Task Force, will have at this day. That one criminal is able to eliminate one of our operators, the highly trained member of the Special Task Force. I can give you assurance, operators, all of you that are here, that we'll find them. We will find the killers, dead or alive. We will find them.
Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal uThami Ntuli uthi uhulumeni kufanele wenze kangcono ekuvikeleni amaphoyisa njengoba kuyiwo aqinisekisa ukuphepha komphakathi.
As government, we must ensure that our law enforcement officers are properly equipped, properly supported, and properly protected. Because the attack on a police officer is not merely an attack on an individual. It is an attack on the rule of law itself.
Umunyu ububhalwe ebusweni emndenini. Ngemuva kwenkonzo yesikhumbuzo isidumbu sikaNel silothisiwe enkonzweni yangasese yomndeni nezihlobo kuphela. Amaphoyisa asaphenya ngalesigameko njengoba leli icala kulendeleka ukuba lidluliselwe ophikweni oluphenya amacala okubulawa kosombusazwe iPKTT.